eyes fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness after?
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. I'm so happy to have you guys here. If you guys would, just make sure you guys subscribe before you leave, and let's go ahead and jump right into today's video.
Something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know.
Absolutely love this thing here. I love the color. One thing I like about it is that it looks pretty decent sized. It's not huge, but it's also not very small either, but it looks like it's going to fit very well in like a pantry or cupboard. So I love how little compact it is. The only thing I'm slightly worried about is just all the pieces. I know this guy here is going to be where the juices flow into. I think this is where like the excess shreds, after it gets all like shredded up, it will go into this. This is for to like shred it up, or I believe this is probably like the ice cream maker portion, and it does have a blender part. So I'm gonna have to get it all put together and figure out what goes where, and then we'll just get juicing. Packaging, I'd have to say, is really good. They double boxed it, which is nice, and huge shout out to them for sending this to me. I believe it's pronounced COMFEE. It's like coffee but with a M. So really thankful. Thank you so much. I'm so beyond excited. You guys have no idea. And I did end up going to the store. I picked up a bunch of produce to go ahead and start juicing right away, and let's go ahead and get started. So right now I'm just going to soak these strawberries. I want to get them cleaned off. I'm going to cut them up, and then I'm going to stick some in the freezer so I can try to make ice cream later. So far the instructions have actually been pretty easy. Seems pretty self-explanatory. Literally just like fits right in. It says to match up the like unlock button with the arrow, and then twist it to lock it into place. So it looks like this is the juice cup, so it sits on this side. You just literally just put that there, and then the cup I put on the other side, and it's coming together. What I noticed on the top was like this little black twisty thing. So like if you were to put something in here, and then you would just like dump it like that, and it would shoot down in here. Guys, we are all set up. I'm ready to juice. I'm going to start cutting up some apples, and I'm gonna try apples first. I've been craving apple juice, so I feel like that is a perfect start, so I'm gonna do that. The bananas, those are just for show. I have frozen bananas in my freezer, chopped up into bits, which I think that would be perfect for ice cream. And then I'm going to try and cut these strawberries up and freeze them and get them a little hard before I try to do ice cream with those too. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this to juice. And it's starting to turn. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the apple half in there. Let's see how this does. I'm gonna do another one. And then it does come with this. I don't know if you, oh yeah. So you can just move stuff around or scoot stuff in. So super cool how it's separating everything. So all the skin and like chunkier stuff is over here and all the juice is building up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this up. So I desperately want to try this juice. This is the apple juice. And I didn't make very much. I think I only put like 2 or maybe 3 apples in here. So not very much, but it's really cool. I think it's really cool. But let's go ahead and do a taste test. Actually really good. Not bad at all. Like that's actually really good. Like I thought it wouldn't be very sweet, maybe like really tart or something, but oh my gosh, it's really good. The glass containers that I'm putting the juices in, I actually picked these up from Amazon. It was a set of 6 and I believe they were $22 and oh my gosh, I love them. They're so perfect for this and I'm just so excited.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start making some ice cream tonight. It's actually super easy to put together. You literally just plop this on here. Just plops on like that. Next you're going to want to stick this in here. So there's an ice cream one, and then they also have the one for juicing that has like the filter in it. But I'm gonna use this for ice cream, so I'm gonna put that in here. Put the unlock button lined up with the arrow, and then you just twist it so it locks, and then you're done. I do have some frozen fruits I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use strawberries and bananas.
Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bro.
Toss this in here. So I did like a little reverse. So I'm gonna go back into. Let's see if this will help. So I'm gonna stick the rest of those in there.
Keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out.
Alright guys, so that was everything for today's video on this little test and review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. It's pretty good. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.